Now we do have a way to make custom reports as well in Plant 3D. Let's go ahead to our project manager here, and we'll go to the project setup. And once we get into the project setup, what we're going to do is we're going to go into this section under general settings that says reports. And you'll see that you have several project types of project reports here, and you can get a preview of them and what they're going to look like. But we can also create a new one. Now we can create a new one that's based off of an existing one. So let's say that we had a valve list and we wanted to pick a new project report based on the valve list. Now I can call it whatever I want. By default, I have copy of valve list, and it says it starts off with the valve list, which we could start off with any one of them as well. Now you may want to replace tables in here. If you do want to replace tables, you'll have the options of the ones that you can replace on here, and then you can pick what you want to replace them with. Okay, so you can do the same for the pipeline segments in this one as well. But I'm going to go ahead and leave those as default for right now and not replace those tables. Just showing you how to do it if you wish to. And then once you do that, you can go ahead and continue on. So now you can put other properties into the report. You can add. You can even go into here and be more specific. Things that you want to add or maybe not include. And then you can also select the order that you want to see these in. And I just went ahead and changed the order of those. So if I say OK, now that'll let you go ahead and save that, and we will apply those. And now that that's applied, I'm going to OK it and get out of the project setup. And now once I go here, I can go to my data manager. And when I go to the project reports, I can see that I do have a copy of the valve list set up the way that I just did in my custom report. Now, if you wish to take that report away, or you no longer need it or want to use that, you can't take it away from here. You're going to have to go back to the project setup where we were. So we'll go ahead and we'll access the project report here this time with a right click. Go into the properties. Once again, we'll find our area that says reports. Once that comes up, we'll go into the report section, select the one that we just added, and we can go ahead and delete that report. We sure we want to delete it? Yes, we do. And now that one is gone. We can OK that. And if we go into the data manager, you'll see that it is no longer there. So that's all you need to do to have your very own custom reports.